Hello students, now today we shall be starting with a new and fresh chapter, okay, which is the geometrical part, okay, which is understanding the quadrilateral, okay. The chapter name is understanding the quadrilaterals, okay. Now in that we will be first looking towards the polygon, what are polygons, what are the classification of it, what are types of it, what are diagonals, okay. What is convex, what is concave figure and all. Okay, then we will be studying the exercise. Just a brief introduction of that. Now, polygons, what are polygons? Okay, a simple closed curve, okay, made up of only line segments. So, line segment का ही बनना होता है. Okay, these are called line segments. Okay, it's called a polygon. What is polygon? A simple closed curve. Okay, which are only made up of line segments. They are called as what? Polygons. Diagonals again a figure. Basically, these two main definitions are there. Okay, a diagonal is a line segment. Okay, again we know line segment. These are diagonals connecting two non-consecutive. Non-consecutive means what? जो consecutive नहीं है, एक के बाद एक नहीं है, बाजू वाले नहीं है, but opposites है. Or we can say opposite vertices. Opposite. These are called vertices. These corners are called what? Vertices. तो opposite vertices को connect करता है. Opposite vertices को connect करता है. That is called a diagonal. What is a diagonal? A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive or opposite vertices. Okay, of a polygon. Next, we shall be looking towards the classification of polygon. Okay, basically polygon starts from three sides. One or two sides possible. If you connecting you so three triangle forms, okay, triangle, three sides, quadrilateral, four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, five sides, so pentagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, six sides, hexagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, seven side, heptagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, eight side means octagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 size monogon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 size decagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And n number of sides, n number means 11, 12, 13, 14, whatever, is n gone. Okay, so these are the classification of polygons. Okay, children? Now, next topic is convex and concave polygon. Convex and concave. Convex means what? जो basically बाहर निकल रहा है. Okay, see, these angles are exterior. The exterior angles are protruding outside. बाहर निकल रहा है. Okay, these angles are protruding outside. This is what convex बाहर निकल रहा है. Concave अंदर जाता है. Concave अंदर जाता है. Caving. Okay. Concave is a concave polygon. Convex बाहर निकलता है, concave अंदर जाता है. Regular and irregular polygon. Next topic is regular means what? Okay, regular polygon is both equilateral and equiangular. The angles भी same है and the sides are also same. See, three sides, three angles. Four sides, four angles are equal. They are called regular polygon. जितनी साइज है इतने एंगल भी इक्वल है. Irregular, okay, is not equilateral or not equiangular. Okay, like here 1, 2, two sides are common. Okay, or we can say this is also common, but this is not common. Okay, two angles are common, two angles common नहीं निकल रहे. So they are called what? Not equilateral or equiangular. Therefore, this is irregular. Suppose here also four are equal, four angles equal. The other two are not equal. Okay, the other two, ये दो equal है, ये चार equal है. These two are equal. Okay, so they are not equally same. They are not equally same. They are not equally same. That is called what? Irregular polygon. यानी कोई दो वाले same है, कोई चार वाले same वैसा है. Okay, in regular polygon, all the sides and all the angles are equal. Angles are a property, okay, which is sum of all the angles, sum of all the sides Oh, all the three angles we can see. Now find all the three angles. Okay, our triangle is 180. Okay, in the same way for quadrant is 360. There are some methods also for this. I'll show you later on, beta. And okay, this is the basic knowledge we need to know before going to the next exercise. Okay, for triangle, sum of angle is 180, and for quadrant, quadrilateral is 360. Okay. Now, children, the first exercise of this chapter 3.1, that given here are some of the figures. Okay, there are 8 figures I have drawn. Just classify them according to the basis of the simple curve, simple closed curve, polygon, convex and concave polygon, which we all discussed. Simple curve, okay, 1, 2 simple curve है, okay, with basically closed figure there, okay. 5 is also a simple curve and 6 is also simple curve. These two are not simple curve. Okay, this is not a simple, this is not a simple curve. And simple close, okay, same will be repeated because it's closed at 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7 there. 7 is also a closed one. Curve है, but they are closed one. Okay, this cannot be called as a curve, simple close. This cannot be also called as simple close, and this also cannot be called. Okay, ये मैंने ऐसे बेटा पेंसिल को उठा के ड्रॉ किया है. ओके, बेसिकली एक सिंपल है, जिसको मैं पेंसिल को 2 बार उठा के मैं करूँ, लाइक दिस वन, एक बार किया मैंने, वापस एक बार किया, तो 2 बार मैंने उठा के किया पेंसिल, तो दिस इज नॉट अ सिंपल. हाँ, एक साथ ही मैं करता हूँ, लाइक दिस वन, एक साथ ही कर रहा हूँ, दिस इज सिंपल क्लोज. ठीक है बेटा, जस्ट लाइक दिस. पेंसिल को एक बार उठा के करता हूँ तो सिंपल क्लोज, अगर नहीं करता हूँ 2 बार मुझे करना पड़ता है, लाइक दिस वन, एक लाइन मारी, फिर वापस 2 वाला, इज नॉट अ सिंपल क्लोज. सिंपल. पॉलीगॉन, middle of line segments to 1, 2 and 4 only. These are the figures which are middle of line segments. Convex यानी जो बाहर निकल रहा है. Second one is only one, and concave अंदर जा रहा है. This one and this one. 1 and 4. Okay, children? Now, next, children, how many diagonals does each of the following have? Convex, quadrilateral, regular hexagon, and a triangle. Convex quadrilateral, one is draw here, okay, which is a quadrilateral, 4 sides, 1, 2 diagonals. A regular hexagon, 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. कितने diagonals होते हैं? See, 1, okay, 2, 3, 4. Let us draw it again for you, children. Okay. This is my 6-sided convex quadrilateral. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, और 2 रहेगा. तो और 2 रहेगा. कौन से रहेगा बेटा? Okay, which 2 do you think are left? 9, 8, 9. Okay, so these are 9 diagonals. A triangle has no diagonals. Triangle has no diagonals. Can you draw this? Can you connect the opposite sides? No. At least 4 should be there. Okay. Next, what is the sum of the measure of the angle of a convex quadrilateral? Convex quadrilateral का sum of the angle कितना होगा? Will this property hold true for the quadrilateral which is not convex also? Concave है तो ये property सही रहेगी. Let's say first draw a convex figure. दो triangles divide करो, 1, 2, 3 angles, 4, 5, 6 angles. Angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is what? 180. Angle sum property which is known. A triangle has the sum of 180 degree. 5, 4, 5, 6 again 180. 180 plus 180 is what? 360 degree. Okay. So hence sum of all the angles of a convex quadrant is 360 degrees. Okay. And if I draw a concave quadrilateral, then hence 1, 2, 3, यहाँ पे 4 angles बन रहे हैं, and this property will hold true for this non-convex quadrilateral also. Okay, children. Now next question, question number 4. Examine the table better. Okay. Now this is a figure. This figure is triangle. Okay. How many sides are there? 3 sides. Okay. So angle sum is 180. Angle sum is what? According to division property, 180. 4 sides quadrilateral. Okay. What I have done? 4 minus 2 multiply 180. 2 into 180. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 into 180 is what? 360. 5 minus 2. 5 sides वाला है पहले. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 into 180 is 540. 6 side वाला hexagon. 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay. 4 into 180 is what? 750. Now यहाँ पे क्या है? Common method use होगी. Which is what? This method. Which is what बेटा? This method. N minus 2 is multiplied by 180. N minus 2. But N means what? The number of sides. N means what? The number of sides. N means what बेटा? The number of sides. Now what can you say about the sum of angle of convex polygon with number of sides 7? Using n minus 2 multiply 180. Instead of n write 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. 580 sides. 180 sides 900. Same way for 8. 8 minus 2 which is n minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 into 180 is what? 1080. For 10, 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 into 180 is what? 1440. And for n minus 2 is multiplied by 180 into 180. So this is the property which is being used here to find the angle. By this method. What is the method? N minus 2 upon the number of sides minus 2 multiplied by 180. Okay, children?